Hi everyone, it's Devi, and today I am making kites on my nails because it's August already and I only see kites in the sky, so I had to make the kites. You know the first step, base coat, let it dry, and then for the sky, paint your fingernails with light blue color nail polish and let it dry completely. Before making the kites, we're gonna make clouds. So with the dotting tool, make random lines, then fill in that space. So don't worry about the clouds being perfect. Now for the kites, with white color nail polish, first make a diamond shape and a little triangle on the bottom of that diamond shape. Then fill that diamond shape and the triangle shape with white color nail polish. Divide that diamond shape into 4 equal triangles and fill those triangles with different colors. I choose yellow, green, purple, and orange. You can choose any color of your choice, or you can make a kite of just one color. Then with black color nail polish, make outline of diamond shape and the triangle shape. Then make a cross in between of that diamond shape which divides the 4 colors, and then made a tiny line as a thread of the kite. And that's it for your kite. Then seal your design with a layer of top coat and let it dry. You can leave it here, but I added a matte top coat to mattify this nail design. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.